Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today guys we'll be doing another Adrenaline XL open 2 packs. I just thought, why not try it, because I don't think we'll get anything good, but here's the odds if you want to have a look. So it's just, I thought it would be okay to try and do a couple more videos. So I'll keep the 2 inserts: Giroud, Cahill, Eriksen. I won't need some completed that. Yannick Carrasco. But I'm just checking that we've always got the right amount of cards. So the goalkeeper is Patricio of Portugal, and bang, I've got him. I don't think I've got Patricio, guys, but it's been an alright pack too. This one feels kind of thick. If you didn't check out my era pack opening, I would check it out. It was the last video I've made on the channel. So, go. Mark 1, 2, 4 inserts. Right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards with 4 inserts. Yes, guys, we've done it again. There's another era pack. Morata, he's alright. Right, guys, we've had another era pack. Let's see who we get. Dang. Ashley Williams, fans' favourite. Bang. Pepe, defensive rock. Bang. Granit Xhaka, key player. And bang. Oh my god, that I've had him twice. But we've had another era pack, guys. I can't believe it. So I'll be back in a second, and I'll just give you a wee brief of me putting the cards in my binder and how it can maybe help you do it. So I'll be back in a second, guys. And I'm back, guys. Let's just, so I've got my binder here. So what I'm gonna do is I'll just get all my shinies and stuff, guys. I'll hopefully try and make this video quite long. So what I'll do is I'll sort them into teams. So Turkey. So I'll be back, guys. See, once I've got all the teams ready. Right, I'll see you in a bit, guys. And I'm back, guys. That is literally my setup right now. So let's just, I guess, get straight into this. So first, what I'll do is I'll look, so I know that I have got Carrasco, if you can see, but I've got him, so he'll just go into my doublers pile here. So as you can see, where is it? I'm sure number 7. I've not got that. I've not got Ivan Rakitic yet, so he not wrong. So he will go straight into the binder. So I don't need, as you, oh wait, what? As you can see, guys, complete team. Right, I think I will just make this a binder update as well. Pack opening / binder update. Better make it quick, but because my battery's going to run out. England, Gary Cahill, he can go in. So Morata, I'm sure it is. So Morata, I've sadly got him. So that is going to be my view from now on. I think if you like, so if you look okay, yeah. So now Giroud, I have got. So that is basically how I get the cards in quickly. I'm just gonna, so I can kneel down and make it more comfy. So, hungry now. I'm sorry guys if this is quite a long video, but I just feel like I would quite like to just talk to you guys about stuff. So, as you heard in my last video, if you watched it, I'm only going to be making 3 videos after this one until I hit 15. So see if one of you guys that's watching right now could subscribe to me. It would just be a dream, like an absolute dream. So that guy can go straight in the binder. I don't think there. So it's quite hard to do this with one hand actually, but I'm trying to see if I've missed the team. No, well I've actually got him defensive rock, and I've got Patricio, so he's not needed. That is just Cristiano Ronaldo. Not mine. Romania, no. Scotland, James Mc. I've got him. Granit Xhaka. As you can see, I do have him. I don't actually know. Wait. Right. So this is Turkey. As you can see, I got 2 goal machines. Exact same player. And then him. I do not need that guy. And then if you just want to, right, so no, yeah, Tina's 15, yeah. Oh wait, I went past. I've just went past Wales, guys. I think I do have them, but I just want to check. It's not as far back as that, guys. I'm actually struggling to find Wales. I think Wales might just be behind Scotland or Russia or something. Where are they? Right, I think let's get the page there. It's just that's Ireland. Right, I'm gonna start. Right, I'll be back. Wait, I'm back, guys. I'll be back in a second once I've found Wales back. And I'm back. I found Wales, but I do not need the Ashley Williams card. So, guys, this has been a wee binder update / pack opening. If you've enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and just let's hit that 15 mark. Bye, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.